Oh, that's gross.
Right.
It's bleeding through the bag.
I'm trying to... I just don't want to touch any guts or anything, because that's where I draw the line.
How old are you?
16.
You're braver than I am, John.
Yeah, no, it's... Absolute vile.
Oh, that's disgusting. Okay. Yeah, I'm done. The feather's not there anymore. It was stabbed into...
Something has removed it. If not...
Someone has come in and removed the feather out of its chest. It was stabbed into it and...
I'm trying to find a puncture wound. If you can, it sounds gross. Have you got a stick? I just want to move it, but without touching it myself, because...
Yeah.
Obvious reasons. Okay.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to touch it either.
I want to move its claw to see if I can see a puncture wound. See, I can't see a puncture wound on it.
No. What about on its back? I don't even know how you can touch it using...
Oh, it's starting to reek.
I can't smell it.
I can.
You can smell the decomposition.
Yeah.
I can.
Oh.
No, I can't smell it.
Oh, yeah. Lucky you then.
I'm older though, so.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh no, that's its head.
That is it at the back there.
Yeah. Oh god, I feel sick.
Okay.
I might vomit.
Yeah, do it over there, I think.
What are you trying to?
You can see where it's been decapitated, yeah.
Yeah? Is it a clean cut or... yeah.
That's quite hard, but it's been out for quite a while. Look at that.
Hang on. No, that's rigor mortis. That usually happens a few hours after death anyway, in lividity. But,
yeah,
is that metal in there, or is that just...
Whereabouts? I want to see how it's been decapitated, but I don't want to see inside guts. Oh. Right.
Oh, hang on. This camera's not cooperating.
There's like slugs on it.
Oh, God.
So yeah, you hold up the back for me. Thank you.
Ah, there's something bloody there.
Look there?
No, further down. There. There, right there.
Me.
Looks like it's had its feathers all shaved off. Is that... That looks like it... Don't poke that bit. That looks like it's been shaved. Doesn't it?
Yeah, look. It doesn't look... There's a difference from it being pulled, because do you see where I'm pulling it? It's going whiter at the bottom.
Well, look at the clean, square shape. If I can, without touching it. Right there.
Yeah, I can see it. Oh, wait, is that it? No, that's the normal.
Looks like it's been shaved. Oh, God. Okay, I've had enough. Let's dispose of this before I throw up. Thank you, John.